Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Senzo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So the much anticipated season 3 of Life with Kelly premiered today on Showmax, and Kelly Khumalo once again has touched some nerves of South Africans for the statements and shocking allegations she made against Senzo, his mother, and his family, you guys. Kelly Khumalo alleged that Senzo family never loved him. She told her friend Wanda Baloi that Senzo was never loved by his family. He was their cash cow. Kelly said that Senzo's mother's first words when Senzo died was, "Who is going to feed us now?" Kelly said, and I quote you guys, "That family did not love Senzo. They never loved him. He was a cash cow," she said. "You know, the first thing that woman said to me when Senzo passed on, who's going to feed us? Your son is dead. The only thing you think about is flipping food. He would lose all his money and give it to the family and be broke every month, and I personally would take care of him." Those were the words uttered by singer Kelly Khumalo on her reality show today, you guys. Kelly Khumalo also accused Senzo's mother of using new tea to get rid of her. Kelly claimed to have also assisted Senzo financially in order for him to take care of his family back home in the KZN, you guys. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.